When I say 1x or 2x, I definitely mean it from the perspective that if we buy this cryptocurrency or token right now, and of course, if the momentum works in our favor, I believe this token can make that return or profit. As you can see, according to official details, it's been listed on CoinMarketCap and exchanges only since around May, though before that, it was in a more closed phase where it could be traded on PancakeSwap. During that period, I actually shared this token in my premium group, meaning my members could have bought it. And whoever did on that last pump could definitely have closed in profit. After that, we had more or less a correction, and around July we dropped to the $0.002 zone, which means at the current price, that's already a recovery. If we had bought at that drop, it was already a 1x return. However, from that drop, as I'll show you, the price immediately went up, and as you can see, there was a 400% move, or 4x. So if you bought during that July dip, this pump over the next 40 days gave you a 4x opportunity. Now, since then, the price started dropping again, and as you can see in this rounded zone, it's more or less an accumulation zone. That means we still have room and potential for another price pump. Now just to make some predictions. If the momentum helps us and my forecast turns out valid, just look 100% would already be at the $0.008 zone. That means $1,000 invested would equal $1,000 profit if the price went there. If we aimed for the previous high, that's around 180% or 1.8x. If we aimed for 200%, the price would need to hit a new all-time high of $0.01. That would need to be a new record, as long as price doesn't drop below this support zone. Even if it drops below support first and then bounces up with good momentum and volume, a very nice profit could still be made. Especially when you consider that the token called AWR or All Will Retire has a market cap of just $4 million, very small. Daily volume is around $400,000, so activity is happening. And we can also see that it's only available on Radium, XT and Meteora. These are exchanges where I know there's a lot of manipulation and with their own volume they can push the price. But if AWR were to get listed on bigger exchanges, I believe the price could move higher, at least to that 100% zone. I'm sure all of you would be satisfied with a 1x return, and that is quite realistic. Of course, this isn't a guarantee that it will happen, but still, it's a good entry opportunity from the buying side to accumulate some tokens now and wait for that potential price pump to take profit. On the other side, for those who want to invest in new cryptocurrencies that haven't yet launched on exchanges, I want to talk to you about Snorter. I've already made about 10 videos about this token, since it's still in pre-sale. That means as an early investor, you can buy before it gets listed and starts trading on exchanges. As you can see, Snorter can currently be bought at $0.10. They've already raised about $4 million from investors. Essentially, it's a Solana meme token with a focus on a potential *** trading bot ***. They claim their project will include a bot to help automate and simplify trading. On their website, you can find many details, including lower fees on Solana, much faster execution of trading bot activities, exclusive access to new tokens launching, rug pull protection, designed to protect investors from scams. So overall, it's quite an interesting token. If overall market momentum is on our side, I believe even this token has a chance, at least in the short term, for the kind of scenario where the price maybe dips after launch but then recovers and creates profit opportunities. That's it on Snorter. You have the link in the video description if you want to buy. Finally, for those looking for a regulated exchange in the EU where you can trade and hold cryptocurrencies, stocks, metals and other financial instruments all in one place, I personally think Bitpanda is the best choice. They even offer a Bitpanda card that lets you withdraw your assets directly. Once you register, you'll see many new cryptos already available, for example Tena, Avantis, Merlin Chain, Story and so on. They also have an Explore tab where you can see active tokens. If you search for crypto, you'll see all available coins. There's even a leverage option, similar to futures trading. For example, if you want to buy or trade Bitcoin, they offer up to 10x leverage. That means with only $100, it's like trading with $1,000 a solid option introduced by this exchange. So, Bitpanda offers a wide selection not only of cryptocurrencies but also stocks and ETFs. For me personally, I don't follow the other instruments much, but it's available if you do. You'll find the Bitpanda link in the description. That's it for this video. For more content like this, leave a like and a comment. See you again in the next one.